Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Glove Touch Up on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project on your device and go to the lower bar. Here you can find the touch up option next to the eyes. Tap that and you can find the second option, the glove. Now if you want to set the strength of that, just click to the white icon and just pull on the line and you can set the strength of the glowing. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.